Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer meetings and action items into Todoist, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your meeting notes and action items. Open your Todoist app or website on your device. Create a new project specifically for your meetings if you haven't already. Click on the Add Project button and name it something like Meetings or Action Items. Now, open the project you just created. Start with the first meeting note you want to transfer. Click on the Add Task button to create a new task. Type in the action item or task from your meeting notes. Be clear and concise in your description for easy understanding later. If the task has a specific deadline, click on the Due Date option. Select the date and time for when this action item is due. If the task involves multiple steps, consider breaking it down into subtasks. To add subtasks, click on the task you just created and choose the option for Add Subtask. Enter the subtask details as needed. Once you've entered all tasks and subtasks, prioritize them by dragging tasks to reorganize. Focus on important tasks by marking them with priority levels if desired. If there are any notes or comments related to the task, use the comment option to add those. Repeat the process for each meeting note until all items are transferred. Once completed, take a moment to review your Todoist project for clarity. Make sure that all deadlines and priorities are correct. You can also set reminders for important tasks if needed. This will help you stay on track and ensure nothing is overlooked. Regularly check your Todoist project for updates and progress. Consider setting a routine to transfer new meeting notes as they happen. This will keep your tasks organized and manageable. By following these steps, you will ensure all your meetings and action items are effectively tracked in Todoist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.